Hey friends, let's talk about something that's happening right now, and most people are missing it. Funnels. They used to be the holy grail of online business, right? Lead magnet, email sequence, sales page, boom, profit. But here's the truth. That model is collapsing. Why? Because people don't move in straight lines anymore. They scroll, skip, bounce, click, and disappear. Funnels are linear, but the digital world, it's dynamic. We're spending more and getting less. Leads are disengaged. Platforms are restricting reach. And most of us are duct taping template tools just to keep our business running. It's exhausting. And here's the scary part. You don't even own the space you're building on. In a live event I co-hosted with my mentor Vic Strizos, we revealed what's really happening behind the scenes. The funnel era is ending. The hub era has begun. What's a hub? It's your own branded platform where your website, funnels, community, video store, and CRM all live under one roof. One login, one system, you own it. That's the new standard. And those who adopt it now, they'll lead the next wave of digital wealth. If you're tired of duct taping and ready to build something that lasts, watch the full replay of our live event and get on the waitlist for early access to Estage. Links are below. Don't miss it.